Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video here. We're going to sous vide cook this top sirloin steak. And we're going to do it about 132 degrees for 2.5 hours. I'm going to do the prep real quick on it. First thing I'm going to do is a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper. Both sides. All right, now we're ready to vacuum seal it. So I've got this little thing to hold the bag. A little pro tip: if you fold the bag down a little bit, then you don't get the juice and whatever seasoning and stuff on the lip of it. And I'll show you a little tip too on vacuum sealing things that are a little bit moist or wet. So in the bag we go here. And a little pat of butter. And now we're ready to vacuum seal it. So take it off here and fold the bag back up. I'm going to hang it off the counter here and use gravity to keep liquid from flowing into the vacuum sealer. See how the liquid here doesn't quite make it into it. And there we go. See, it doesn't quite make it into your vacuum sealer. Next thing, we'll get the sous vide prepped here. Going to go ahead and heat it up to 132. All right, it's got the app for my sous vide cooker, and everything in the video is going to be in the description too if you want to just check the links out if you're curious about any of the stuff that I'm using. So I hit manual, and I'm going to go down to 132, and we're going to do 2.5 hours and start cooking. And when it gets to temperature here, it's going to beep and give me a notification, and then we'll get the steak in the sous vide. All right, our bath has reached temperature, so in goes the steak. Cover on, and we'll see you in 2.5 hours. All right, 2.5 hours is up. Go ahead and throw a pat of butter in my cast iron pan. It's heating up so we can do a nice sear on it, and we'll get it out of the water bath here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bag open. And get my steak out and just kind of pat it dry here. And then into the frying pan to sear it. And go about a minute on each side. Now go ahead and flip it. And that's how we get the nice color that we like on a steak, because the sous vide, the color can be kind of weird looking. So that's how you get the nice color on it. Now I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and we'll cut it up here and show you what we end up with. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop timer. All right, let our steak rest up here. Go ahead and cut some slices off. And this is what end result is. Maybe a little bit more done than I like, but it's I don't know, maybe it's like medium, not quite medium rare maybe. I'm going to taste test it here. Well, it almost like melts in your mouth. So for a cheap cut of meat, that's really, I think, a good way to cook it. And I'm ready to dig in here. I'm starving. So wrap this video up. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And just remember, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.